you hold it there, like this. Get that started, and then you can adjust it by there. See? Make it a little bit closer. And make sure when you pull it tight enough, that's where it goes to. That's fine, but you're gonna be holding the trigger. Start it before you put it into the wood. Pull the trigger fast, fast. Always keep this flat. Okay, go ahead.
Can I pull it out today?
Nope, just start. Because if I push too much, I'm gonna push that blade into that metal. So I'm focused on keeping this flat. Pressure it down like that. And I'm just doing little bits at a time. Hold the pressure here. It sucks with the cord. Keep the pressure here. On here. Nope. Watch. I'm keeping two fingers, one here and one here. I'm just keeping this on. And slowly pushing. So I'm kind of pushing with these fingers here, and I'm basically just pushing with these fingers here and this here a little bit. So I'm just kind of like pulling into that. But always keep your fingers like to go away from the blade, not into the blade. Away. Okay? You put your hand flat. Like this, into the blade. I was keeping my hands, yeah. Yep, start it up.
Just have it as close as my hands were.
You want me to do it or what?
I mean, I'd be super nervous to do that. That's
So we got to make this top perfectly round. So what I did, this is birch plywood, this is cabinet grade plywood, and it's actually 4'8" of an inch. So to find the center, I got to come over 2 foot, 2 foot and a 16th, and then I come down 2 foot and a 16th, and I find my center. And then we're just taking a pencil. We're taking this here with a nail in it, just a string. Tempe's gonna hold it there. Try to get it as close as we can to the bottom. Yep. I'm gonna start on Tempe's side. Wrapping the string up. I marked it at 4 inches because we gotta come for the inside now. So I'm pulling it pretty tight. And I'm gonna try to keep it as close as I can to this original deal. So now I'm holding it. So we're just making 2 lines, the outermost line that we can't exceed past, and the innermost line which we can't go in front of. So then this is the size that we're using, so we're just gonna go bring this bucket, so as long as it's touching the outside line and then touching the inside line right there, because that's the center mark. In the picture that we're going off of, it starts just like that. So then we're gonna mark this all the way to that line, and then we'll do this side, same thing. We're just not going to touch that line there.
Kentucky got it.
Here, Tempe, you want to try it? So from that line, yep, hold it on tight, the bucket. That's it. And then do the next one from this, and then it touches here. So we're gonna come down here too. still for a second. We're just gonna mark this line here, just so we have it all the way down. So I'm just holding it on the square, and then just rolling it all the way down. Just make sure your bucket doesn't move. Yep. And do that all the way down. You want to make one of these for you, Tempe? Now this goes to the outside. Is that what the picture looks like? Or makes that gap. That looks better. That's better. that edge off so it's not sharp. So you can even do this.
Why do you use this instead of what you had?
Because this is just light. It's the same sandpaper.
But she's saying why
You
are
get
you
more
doing it by
control
hand?
because I go too fast. It'll take too much off.
Up and down or what?
Yes. Anyway, you can. Or like this. You were.
Yeah.
Just try it. You'll see which is better.
More.
Right, like on these edges, you can do this. Just go quick, but then the corners we can't reach. So I'll do that, and then. You always gotta be careful though, because when you're going here, sometimes I've had it where wood will come up and it'll stick you in your finger. It tickles. So this is just the backside, so that's why I said those little pieces.
So you have to do this on the front side too?
Yes. Well, you don't even have to do it here, I guess. It just helps. It just makes it a little bit better.
So I didn't forget,
It
it's
sucks in the wind.
birch plywood, which is a nicer one that doesn't splinter when you cut it.
Well, it does. It's just got cleaner edges.
It has cleaner
This
edges.
is the
Okay.
back side, though.
So we're gonna prime the back side first, so then we can flip it and then do the front.
Look at that roller for car. Look at this. I'm gonna try to go lightly and try to eliminate all those lines like that. So I do a little spots at a time. So you can get rid of those lines. Because otherwise you will see every single one. When you finish that edge. See, you're pushing a little too hard. All this excess on the bottom is not good.